Custom student and staff reports. You can create custom reports to see and edit CRM fields from both student and staff members. To create a custom report, select Reports from the main menu. The built-in reports are located on top, and the custom student reports are located on the bottom. To view the custom staff reports, select the Staff Reports tab. The custom student reports and the custom staff reports are both created in a similar way. Let's first create a custom student report. Select Add New Student Report. Enter the desired name for the report. And select Create to create the report. The Filters section contains 3 student filters for the year, track, and enrollment status. Selecting the filters here means that you won't have to select them every time you run the report. Let's select a year, semester, track, and enrollment option. The next section, Selected Fields, will display the fields that will appear on the report. To add fields to the report, scroll down to the section, Available Fields. This section shows all of the student tabs, or student menus. Expand the desired tab. You will then see all of the CRM fields that are in that student's tab, with the section name, and the field name. Select the desired fields checkbox to add it to the report. As you add fields to the report, they will appear in the section, Selected Fields. The order of the fields here will determine their order on the report. You can reorder the fields by selecting the up-down arrows, and you can delete a field by selecting its corresponding X icon. After adding all of the desired fields, select Save to save the report, or Run to save and run the report. You will now see an Excel-like report, with the selected fields as the column headers, and the student results as rows. You will notice that the report filters are selected according to the selection we made when creating the report. This means that even if we change these filters and refresh the report, the filters will automatically reset back to these options. You can sort the report columns by selecting the up-down arrows. You can edit any of the fields in the report by selecting the appropriate cell and then making your changes. Your changes will save automatically when you exit the cell. Select anywhere on the screen to exit the cell, or select the Tab key on your keyboard. You can export reports to Excel by selecting Export from the Action menu. You can also email reports as an attachment by selecting Email Report from the Action menu. You can also email one or more students by selecting the desired students checkboxes, and then select Email Student from the Action menu. For more information on emailing, see the appropriate help tutorial in the email section. You can select the contact card to open the student details page. To create a custom staff report, select Add New Staff Report from the Reports page. Create the staff report the same way as the student report. You'll notice in the Filters section that the Track and Enrollment filter do not appear, as those are student-related options. To delete a report, you have to first go into the Reports Edit page, and then select Delete from the Action menu. To edit a report, select Edit from the Action menu from within the report. Please be aware that giving users permissions to reports via user groups and permissions will give them access to all of the staff and student CRM fields. For more information on user groups and permissions, see the appropriate help tutorial in the User Groups and Permissions section.